You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this name correctly in Spanish, but also how you can say it and should say it in English. By the way, if you want to learn more confusing Spanish names, stay tuned, I've got more videos for you definitely want to hear and listen to. Carlos is the Spanish pronunciation. That's also the same in Mexico, South America. Carlos, stress on the first syllable, Carlos. Now, in English, it's most generally pronounced as Carlos. Carlos, English pronunciation, or how to pronounce in Spanish, Carlos. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.